you're rethinking about taking it up more professionally. Okay, so you can take time and you can think through it. After which we have something called the diploma course. Now the diploma course, how is it different from the beginner's course? As you see in the beginner's course, we are only touching upon a lot of elements and awareness of storytelling, right? Because if you don't know what storytelling is all about, there's no point in just giving you some techniques, right? So we are doing some techniques to start off on storytelling in the beginner's course, and it's quite enough because it covers a lot of basics. But in the diploma course, we go a little deeper. Remember I told you a story about Aesop? Yeah? So in the same way, how did stories evolve? What were the different genres of stories? Are there different depths to the same storytelling? So what is folklore? What is an epic? Are there parallel myths around the world itself? For instance, I'm doing a separate course only on myths and mythology, especially parallel myths from around the world. So 3 days in Istanbul in October. I've been invited by that university to just do a 3-day course on mythology. So you know how deep a subject can be, right? So myths is a separate thing. Epics is what is a legend? What is a fairy tale? How did it evolve? Yes? What are the different kinds of fables? Yeah? So it may be knowledge, but we also have packed it with stories which you will understand, you will love, because it's going, as I said, diving into that ocean of storytelling. Yeah? So we're going to take that dive, and that's what the diploma course is all about. So we'll do something on the genres, which will take almost a day, so about half a day. And then we'll do what is known as storyboarding. Because now I'm telling you, yes, you have to use expressions, you have to use. But how do you exactly take a tale? How do you exactly prepare? You know, that's the detailed preparation. So we'll do that with a little more of voice, body language and everything in the diploma course. Okay? So that would be one part of it. The second, as I told you, is skills. So you need, somebody asked props, right? So what are the props you can use for a story? Because every time you can't do only narration, voice, body language. So a little bit of puppetry, a little bit of origami, paper folding, you know, and different arts and crafts that you can use to tell a story. So we will also teach you those arts, those skills. The third thing that we'll do in storytelling then is to make how to prepare for, say, training. Yes, like if you want to do a corporate workshop, how do you prepare for it? So more on the corporate side we do in the diploma course. The other art which is beautiful is music. So there is a person who is excellent because he can help you to make your own musical instruments, which are not difficult, which are cheap, easy to make. So he will teach you that. He will teach you how to use that musical instrument, and it's amazing that when you use music and storytelling, it has a different effect. Yeah. So for each one of these skills that are taught to you, you will have presentations. Yes. And then last but not the least is that you will also have to know where can I tell these stories? To whom can I tell these stories? What are the different styles of storytelling? What is this folklore that we are talking about? So we have a folklorist who will come and tell you all about folklore. Yes? So we have different people in the diploma course who will come, who are experts, who will deal with their different fields. So it's basically 4 days. And then last I will be blended with how you can exactly go through the documentation process and the entire journey, because you're going to be out in the field. You have to be in the field for 6 months, for about a year. You don't have to devote all your time. You can do it on weekends. You can do it wherever you're doing. So now we have people who are doing it in Japan, who's doing it in Ireland, who's doing it in Malaysia. So you can choose your areas. But of course, finally, the project you have to submit is to us. So you will collect stories, you will tell stories in different spaces to different audience. You will be observed, you will observe. Yes, so all these things will happen in the diploma course, which is like taking a dip into that, swimming in the water, not just watching the lake. Yes, so we'll go deeper into water stewardship. So it's 4 days over here. It happens only thrice a year or 4 times sometimes. So the next course is from